Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how to get a cinematic text on CapCut. So here you just need to use a black background or any background that you want, like this, and then just write your text. Okay, I'm going to just write cinematic, and then after that change the font into the one you want. I'm going to use this Anton font, and then after that add effect. So click on effects and add this 3D effect like this. I'm going to make the text bigger. Now click on a check icon and just export this video text. Okay, after it's done exporting, you can just open it in a new project. Okay, now just add a keyframe at the start of the text and go to mask, find the film strip, rotate it like this and drag the arrow to have some fade effect like that, and drag the masking to the top left corner like this. Click on a check icon and now go to the end of the text and add another keyframe, go to mask again, and now drag the masking to the bottom right corner like this. Click on a check icon and then that's it. Your text will look cinematic like so. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course click on the thanks. Bye.